Hi, I'm Achilla. Welcome to Tagalog for Kids. Today we will learn the basic greetings in Tagalog. But first, I have to teach you about the word po. Po is a word that we add to our greetings to show respect to all our elders and authority. For example, grown-ups say hi. Us kids say hello po or hi po. So let's start! Good morning. Good morning is magandang umaga. We say magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga po. Around lunchtime or noon, we say magandang tanghali. Magandang tanghali po. Good afternoon is magandang hapon. Magandang hapon po. Good evening is magandang gabi. Magandang gabi po. When we say goodbye, we say paalam or paalam po. And we can add until next time or sa uulitin po. So let's review all the greetings that we learned today. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Paalam, sa uulitin. Okay, that's all for today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Paalam.